Crafting a fruit salad. Creating a refreshing fruit salad is a delightful and healthy way to start the day. To begin, gather a variety of fruits such as strawberries, grapes, kiwis, pineapples, and blueberries. You will also need some honey, lemon juice, and fresh mint leaves for added flavor. Start by washing all the fruits thoroughly under cold water. After washing, peel and cut the fruits into bite-sized pieces. For the grapes, you can leave them whole or cut them in half, depending on your preference. Once all the fruits are prepared, place them in a large mixing bowl. In a small bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of honey and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Pour this mixture over the fruits and gently toss them together to coat evenly. Finally, chop some fresh mint leaves and sprinkle them over the fruit salad. The mint will add a refreshing touch to the salad. Place the salad in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before serving. This will allow the flavors to meld together beautifully. Serve the chilled fruit salad in individual bowls and enjoy the burst of flavors from the fresh fruits and the sweet and tangy dressing. It's a nutritious and delicious dish that can be enjoyed at any time of the day.